Alright, so I'm going to do an unboxing of the Walmart sold Centaur gaming keyboard, the Black Widow model. It's a backlit keyboard. So there it is, it's quite clean. Once again, it's quite heavy. It's got these stainless steel accents on the top and on the left and the right. Wrist support. Very good feedback, good sound. For comparison, here's what it sounds like whenever I type on this really cheap keyboard, which has no weight at all, by the way. And here's the braided cable. Quite nice. Has all the keys. It's not missing any keys. The enter button's a little bit smaller. It has actually an extra key right here for cycling lights. Here's the Blackweb with the breathing mode on. It cycles through green, yellow, and red. There is no blue, which I'm not too happy about, but that's okay. If you look here at this button, this will switch between all the colors. You can adjust the brightness with this function key, page up and page down. Turn it off. It has a few other modes as well, as it has a gaming mode, which is identified by this LED right here. If you press function and then the Windows key, it will lock it so you can't accidentally hit that button and alt tab out of your game, which would I've done a couple of times, but I don't know if I'll use this function. I mean, maybe if I was playing competitively. The backlight has a breathing faster or slower mode, so you can make it go really slow and breathe very slowly, or you can make it breathe quickly. You'll switch colors much faster. All in all, the typing is quite nice. It's responsive, it's quick. Feedback is good, and the wrist support is excellent as well. Yeah, it's a good keyboard, and if you can pick it up for 20 bucks, which I did at Walmart. Don't go and buy it in the store, buy it through the website. It's marked up in the store, but 20 bucks at Walmart.com is a pretty good deal, and I'll put a link in the description. And that's pretty much it, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like. If you want to support me, please subscribe. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike. And if you have any questions or any comments, please put them in the comment box below.